The vehicle was a gray 2017 Nissan Sentra with temporary plates. A mother, distracted for just a moment, left her car door slightly open, and in that instant, a man jumped in and drove off. The mother screamed in panic. September 29, 2021, in the city of Whitehall, Ohio, police receive a report of a stolen vehicle. At first, it seems like a routine case until they discover something chilling. A 1-year-old baby was in the back seat of that stolen car.
I had the door open and I kept saying my baby's in there. Like I told him my baby's in there, and he just kept spitting off.
You asked them what sort of plate that they had on the rear, other than a temp plate like a dealership sort of thing.
There's a temp tag, right?
Yes, he's black. He got long dreads and he had a black cap on his head.
Okay.
He had on a Advanced America t-shirt.
Suspect's a black man with long dreads.
I might have him on the South Yearling Road. He is speeding up.
Almost lost.
Throw your lights on, throw your siren on.
Now
go.
He's coming up the beach.
At nearly 70 miles per hour, the stolen car crashes into another vehicle. The suspect abandons the car and flees on foot. A K-9 unit is deployed and officers begin combing the nearby forest and trailer park areas. Meanwhile, the mother, who was dragged by the vehicle, suffers injuries.
Come on, Zara! Sit down! Police, K-9, come here! Zara! K-9, where are you? Here. Zara, here. Off.
Nope, no, right here. Just stop right here. She can walk to us. Hey, miss! Here, we're gonna go down here, okay?
Okay, I think I broke my foot. I broke my foot.
Do you need a medic?
Yeah.
Did he drag you?
When I went to grab him out of my car, he sped off and I did like that and fell.
Okay. Turn the radio off.
Beechwood is where I lost him.
Did somebody just run in there?
No, just while I'm seeing back, so I have my gun behind my back.
Okay, that's fine. There's a male black with dreads. He had a toboggan, dark clothes.
Hey, listen. Did any of you guys witness this?
Yeah, we all see it.
Okay, I can't talk to you right now because I got to take her down. They just wrecked, going about 70 miles an hour, and he's running now. So I got to take her down. I don't want to stay here with you guys if her kid has to get.
Yeah.
I have to go. All right.
Okay.
Can you guys please come into the police department and fill out a written statement?
Yeah.
Just come straight to our station, okay?
Right at my home.
Yep, it's on Yearling. All right. So we are not going to run a 60, but we're going to go decently fast. So out and.
That sounds beautiful.
He ran west, probably in towards the trailer park. Come here, sorry. I'm gonna go back behind this. If you're in there, you need to come out. Well, this is last time I saw him. Huh? I don't know where they went. She's not. I mean, he could have rounded this and just continued on. So close.
Now that looks like it's broken.
I'm thinking he went south. Because she's not keen on anything that I'm hitting over here. Where are your cameras facing? Where are they facing? Like both?
One right here
Can you look back to see if there's any sort of, there's a male black with like long dreads, baseball or beanie sort of thing?
How long ago?
Not long, like maybe 10 minutes ago now. Come on, bro. I'll be right back, okay? What'd you say? He did go that way? Okay. Nice. I'm getting word from that he did go west. So he's probably in the trailer park someplace at this point. He was fast.
That's probably the car they hit.
He hit a car?
Yes, he did. Hold on. So listen, your baby's okay. He's over with this medic right over here. So, if your ankle's broken, can I get them to come to you?
I need to go to my baby.
Okay, I get that. You're okay. Your baby's okay. Huh?
Is this what?
Yeah, this is mom. This is mom. She got dragged.
So what's going on?
The baby is found in the back seat, her seat straps loose but miraculously unharmed. She appears confused but otherwise okay. An officer picks her up and comforts her until help arrives.
You get him in? Yeah. Huh? You get him? Yeah. I'm just glad we were right there. We were not getting any info out of her. She was just there.
Yeah, maybe just got stolen.
Yeah. Oh,
I'd be upset too.
Yeah. Yeah.
I was told you might have 40%.
I don't have anything. We literally loaded her in this car and started coming.
Mom's info pulled up in the cruiser. I wasn't smart enough.
My parents is right there.
It's hard to hurt a kid.
No, I know.
Like, I've dropped my
They're going 60 though.
So just so you know, I probably told you she was secured like with these straps, but it wasn't seat belted in, so it kind of fell over in the back of her car.
She was in the seat, and he must have.
Okay. So when I got here, she was in her seat, just kind of hanging out over here with one of the officers. She was interacting with us. We don't see any injuries on her. Okay. She's acting the way that I think that she would. She's got a good heartbeat. We hear her breathing well.
Who's grandparents? Could you two come up and kind of help her? Because it sounds like she's probably going to be going to the hospital. Her ankle got rolled.
When he jumped in my car, he tried to pull off. I opened my door and I grabbed him and I tried to tell him, and he hurried up and pushed the door back, and I slipped and fell like this, holding on to the door, and my foot rolled.
Yeah, we're gonna be taking DNA and try to ID this guy, and that way we can arrest him. Not yet. We got about 25 more cops out in this area.
Hello, sir. Yeah. Pretty good. So, what do you got going on?
Back in Thanksgiving, my mom gave me a call.
Then, 9 months later, as officers go through their daily paperwork, they find something unexpected, a twist no one saw coming.
I was told that I had warrants out for me, and I was in Indianapolis, so I came back here.
Okay, you're gonna get the warrants taken care of. Okay, we'll do that for you. So go ahead and stand up for me.
Yeah. I was about to say, it's the only thing, but I know you're gonna check me. I got you.
Okay. And if you can't just face that way for me. No, you're good. If you can, just put your hands right here. We'll get you back in our slate room and we'll take care of all that stuff for you. If you can, put your palms together like you're praying.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions. So what happened that day? Like what?
Basically just, like, you feel me? Just, I don't know how it works. I don't know how depression works for you guys, but it's like better me, and basically that's what it was. Because I don't know how to think rationally. Basically all I feel nowadays is depression, and violent fits of rage. If it's not depression, it's violent fits of rage. If it's not violent fits of rage, it's depression.
Well, I mean, why'd you steal the car in the first place?
Basically, just to have a car to get back and forth from work.
So
my priority wasn't to steal it to like sell it or to be out here driving in and looking hot like, well, I got to do it. My situation is transportation with the bus or paying to get back and forth to work is cost me more money than it is to get there and make the money.
So then, when you get in the car, right? Because you're outside Foot Locker hanging out there.
Yeah.
Okay. And you get in the car. Do you remember what kind of car it was?
I remember the car had tinted windows, which in my mind was.
According to court documents, Isaiah Jackson was charged with felony counts of kidnapping, theft, 2 counts of failure to comply with an officer and obstruction of official business. He pled guilty to the theft and kidnapping charges in exchange for the prosecutor dropping the other charges. Isaiah received 4.5 years in prison for kidnapping and 6 months for stealing the car to be served consecutively. He was also ordered to pay restitution to the owner of the vehicle he stole in the amount of $9,000. He applied for judicial release after serving 2 years, but was denied.